Hello, welcome to Home Cooking with Somjit. Today I'm going to cook pork leg in black vinegar or pig trotter in black vinegar. Just a tip, right? If you want to cook pork leg vinegar, it's best to use the back leg of the pig trotter. So I have one whole pig trotter here. This weigh about 2 kilos. First we're going to brunch the pork leg first, and then we can come and take a look what are the ingredients that we will use for the pork leg vinegar. I have a big pot of water here. I haven't started to boil yet. So branching the meat, we always to boil the water together with the meat all the time. So I have the ginger here. We're going to put in the ginger, and we're going to put in all the meat. Right, so we're going to cover the lid and bring it to boil. Alright, it's boiling. So when we branch the meat, right, we just want to bring it to boil. We remove all the impurity or all the blood from the meat, and I'm going to remove it from the pot, and then we're just going to give it a rinse. Then we can start to cook our vinegar sauce. Alright, these are the ingredients I'm going to be putting in the pig trotted black vinegar. So I have about 400 grams of ginger. I cut it into quite thick slices, and 1 tablespoon of light soy sauce, half tablespoon of sesame seed oil, half tablespoon of salt. For this recipe, I'm putting in the chili because we want it to be more spicy, not just too sour, slightly spicy to counter the sourness of the vinegar will be nice. So I put about 6 pieces of dry chili. And for the vinegar, I'm using this brand. For this brand, right, the vinegar is quite sharp, and I also will dilute it with the water. And I'll be putting also the gula Melaka. That's all the ingredients. I'll be cooking straight in the soup pot. I'm putting in about 2 tablespoons of cooking oil. Just gonna pour in the ginger, dry chili. Give it a stir. Just fry until these 2 ingredients to release out the nice aroma. Now I'm going to put in the pig trotted. For this vinegar is the whole bottle is 750 ml. So I'm going to put in around 600 ml. And also 600 ml of water. All the pig trotter have to be submerged in the water, so I'm going to add in another 400 ml of water. Alright, and then I'm putting in the light soy sauce, sesame seed oil, salt, and gula Melaka. For gula Melaka, no need to break it, just bring it to boil and it will dissolve by itself, because we're going to braise this for about 2 hours. To cover the lid and bring it to boil. Alright, it is boiling now. Look at that. So I'm going to reduce the heat to low heat and set the time for 2 hours. 1 more minute to 2 hours. Look at that. All the soup, all the gravy also boil down, and the pork leg become very soft. Thumbs up. Now we can taste it. Wow, the meat is super soft, the gravy is sour sweet, very nice. At this stage, you want to add salt or you want to add anything else, you can do so for now, but this one I'm going to just let it cool down and then we can dish out and serve. This dish is best to eat with rice. Look at that, see the soft bones? We braise it until it become so soft, so nice. A bit of meat. Wow, the pig trotter is so soft, like melt in the mouth, with the sourness from the black vinegar and the nice fragrance of the ginger, plus a little hint of the spiciness from the chili, make this dish is so delicious to eat with rice. Lovely. I give it a thumbs up. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, please share with your friends and remember to subscribe for more of my variety cooking like this. Thank you and bye bye.